everybody. This is day 8 of my S-Type rebuild project. Last time I praised myself for having removed the radiators, but that's not 100% true since the little one here is still connected. I also have mistaken this to be the trans fluid cooler, but in fact it directly connects to the steering fluid reservoir and definitely is the steering fluid cooler. But since the reservoir is still filled and draining, this would spill fluid all over other parts and the engine, I will leave this for now and instead start with disconnecting a few other hoses. The lower radiator hose has already been detached from the engine and the radiator, but is still connected here. The pipes underneath there are getting wider at the ends, so it's impossible to get this hose off, and I will have to cut it open here on the top. It's exactly the same situation with this assembly here on passenger side. In the next step, I will unplug all the wires here on the top and then detach the water pump housing and the other parts here in front of the intake manifold. I've just experienced that to be able to remove the remaining parts of the cooling system, I first have to detach the intake manifold. It's already late today, so I will do this next time. If you're interested in the progress of my project, consider subscribing and ring the bell. Goodbye.